Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels ages since I said this. Actually, it's just been a month since I made a new video and I wasn't really sure if I'm going to do this one as well, but there's something really interesting. So today's video is nothing to do with fashion, nor DIY, nor travel. It's something super cute and you'll realize why I'm saying cute later, but it's something very close to my heart. So basically, you must have seen a trend going on where everyone's creating their childhood looks. I think it happened few months back. I know I'm very late on this, but I just thought I'll do it because my childhood looks are really cute and crazy. But one of the looks that is has always been my favorite. I was really small when I participated in a fancy dress and I also won it. It was a very cute fancy dress competition and I just realized I say the word cute too many times. I should stop. So this video was actually supposed to be a travel video. Not this video, but the video that I was going to put before this was supposed to be a travel video. If you've been following me on Instagram or reading my blogs, you might know that I recently went to Malvan and it was crazy. I had so much of fun. I also went there mostly because I really wanted to make a travel video to start with. And Malvan is a place which is really close to Goa and a lot of people actually tend to go to Goa rather than exploring Malvan. So I thought why not just visit that place, and explore it and make a video about it. The reason why I haven't edited the videos or not even started editing is because I'm facing a very teeny tiny issue. I'm still working towards it, but the thing is that I'm not able to access a lot of videos and photos. So once I get everything, only then I'm going to start editing. I actually wanted to put up the travel vlog 2 weeks back, but then I didn't get a chance and I haven't started editing because of all these issues. So I thought why not just instead of taking a break or like no not putting up any videos, I thought let's just share this really cute concept that I recently shot for my blog. And I also ended up taking some videos, so I thought why not make that video. But before that I just wanted to explain what exactly the concept is. So once I participated in this fancy dress competition where I had become a newspaper. My mom actually made the whole costume and I literally looked like a newspaper. Whoa, crazy, right? I love the idea. So I told my mom, why don't we just do this again for my vlog? So we started preparing for it, and I obviously took her help a little. And I told her this time I want to make it. Like when I was small, obviously I couldn't help her that much. So she had to do everything on her own. So I said, I just want to see, how exactly did that idea come to your head and how did you make it? So then I sat and made the whole costume. So my initial plan was to actually dress up like a newspaper and roam in a certain area and capture people's reaction. But I'm still getting there. Like I didn't know how to exactly do it. So I thought just for now just do the concept and maybe take a video and just show it to you guys. I think I'm talking way too much now because I'm so excited. So let's just get into the video.
don't press that.
See, now you put. No, but I will be tying now. Okay, tell me how much time you need. See, your lock. This is it.
Just spread it now. Spread it now.
No, hold it.
Can't only look good.
You have to
Yeah,
block
but then
it.
the
Okay,
person
okay, you
there.
have to block. Okay, okay.
You can do it like that.
Okay.
It is hard.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
What is it?
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, acha. I'll just do this. Wait. That I do it. That can also hide.
Alright, go on.
That won't be seen. Obvious and all.
Wait. You don't go.